All right, so now we're doing a parasternal approach, okay? So we're gonna have the probe here with the marker facing me, and we're gonna wanna go over a rib, not under the rib, to avoid the neurovascular bundle. Okay, so we're gonna look up on our ultrasound and we see a big collection of fluid there. We move up like this, and we're gonna see that rib, then we're gonna come down and we're gonna see the rib below it. So here we are looking at the rib above, then the fluid collection, and then the rib below. So we wanna go over the rib below. Okay, so we'll insert right here, and we're aspirating as we go in. Okay, then I'm going to track my needle, which is here. Okay, I'm advancing and I get fluid. So now we're in pericardial space. Okay, so now we're gonna refill him because we've used him a few times. So we'll go ahead and refill him with some saline, and then we'll do a subxiphoid. Probe marker towards us, aiming towards the left shoulder, and we're going to look for there's our fluid collection, there's the rib above it. So here's our fluid collection. We're going to go ahead and insert our needle here, and we're going to watch until we hit it. Okay, now we've hit the effusion.